Once upon a time, in a world filled with toys, there lived a flexible and fun-loving Slinky Dog. He was bright yellow and had coils for days, always bouncing and twisting with joy. One day, Slinky Dog felt a little sad. He missed his friends and wanted to play. So, he set off on an adventure to find them. He wobbled and jiggled through the toy box, past the blocks, dolls, and cars. He passed the Lego city, the magnetic building set, and even the miniature train set. Slinky Dog continued his journey, determined to find his friends. He climbed over the board games, ducked under the puzzles, and even crawled through the toy kitchen. Finally, he reached the toy chest where his friends were hiding. He found Mr. Potato Head, Woody, Buzz Lightyear, and all his other pals. They were so happy to see him. Together, they played all afternoon, laughing and joking. They built towers with blocks, solved puzzles, and even went on a toy train ride. When it was time for bed, Slinky Dog said goodnight to his friends. He wiggled his way back home, feeling happy and content. That night, Slinky Dog dreamt of more adventures with his friends. He knew that no matter where he went, he would always find happiness with his toy family. And so, Slinky Dog lived happily, always ready for a new adventure and always ready to play with his friends. The end.